there, my name is Mike Montgomery on behalf of Rhino Garden Supply, and today I'd like to show you how to assemble and install your 5-tier mobile planter. Let's get started. Inside of your box, you'll find 3 main pieces to your assembly, and first you'll attach the base and your legs together and secure everything with the screws included in your kit. After that, you can install the casters also included in your kit on the ends of each of the legs. The non-locking casters will install on the back legs that we attached to the main assembly, while the locking casters will install on the front legs. Next, you can install the third piece of our assembly onto the base, completing the main structure of this tiered planter, securing it just like before with the Phillips screws included in your kit. After that, we can install each tier of these planters, making sure that the drainage holes are facing forward so that the water doesn't drain behind the next planter. And with the front casters unlocked, you can see how the planter can move freely on any flat surface so that you can move and position it wherever you like. And once you do, you can lock the casters back down and the planter won't move at all. And included in your kit are these plugs or drainage stops. You can install these on any box so that water can't transfer between boxes or onto the floor. And as a quick note, it's important that the drainage holes in each of the planters face forward. That way the water can cascade from one planter to the next without spilling onto the floor. So there you have it. This 5-tier mobile planter from Rhino Garden Supply looks amazing, and I couldn't be more happy with how it performs. The casters roll really smooth, and when locked down, everything stays in place and is very sturdy. The cascading watering effect that this planter has is probably my favorite feature. All you need to do is add water to the top planter, and then the drainage holes on the bottom of each of those planters drain into the one below it, allowing everything to get plenty of water as long as you don't put any of the drainage stops into the planters themselves. Although it is important to put drainage stops on the last planter, that way it doesn't all drain into the floor. So thanks a ton for watching, and I really hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, don't forget to reach out to Rhino Garden Supply directly. Bye everybody!